What up YouTube, it's your boy Ryder back at you with another video, and today we're going back to the Duramax Diaries. It's been nearly a year since I touched this truck. I start it up every week, drive around the block, park it. Haven't really been messing with it since I did that transmission control module and didn't change anything. We're digging back in the wiring harness again. This is the fuse box, sits here. It's got this neat little thing where it flips up. And then I detached this. This is the wiring harness coming off of the back of the transmission that comes up to the front. It also has the ABS wires that go through there. And then this one here is where it goes from the transmission control module into here. So somewhere in between here or one of these wires is messed up. So I'm just digging around trying to find something. You can't see, but there are some mouse droppings down here, and there were a lot more down here in the bottom. But I don't see any wires chewed up. I cleaned most of them up. There's still some stuff down in there. So I'm just going to dig around here, see if I can find any wires that are messed up. And I done checked these contact points, so I'm going to mount these back in here. We'll go from there. So this cable here, you have to take off so you can get the big cover off. It goes through this hole inside. I reattached that. I got these two disconnected. I'm going to try to start her up and see if anything has changed. So let's do that now. Well, the ABS light's on still, but no check engine light this time. Ooh, we don't start. Okay, so I got to connect one of those because it won't start like this. So I attached the bigger cable up there. You can't see it. Now let's see what changes. Okay, now we got to check engine light. The heat turned on. Oh, we got to do this 3 times. Let's try it again. Oh, it sounds wonderful. Change engine oil. Usually this will tell me that I need to service the brake systems. I didn't do that time, but the brake light is still on, ABS light is still on, check engine light is still on. But it started up, so I know that the issue is most likely in between the transmission and the that wiring harness that comes up here from the transmission and the ABS. So I'm going to dig in that a little more, see what we find. So I gave up after that first day because I couldn't find anything under here. But I found something up under there. There's a wire. It was loose, it wasn't touching anything. I ground it out and I heard a pop. I have communication with my transmission now. I fixed the wire, found a fuse up here, replaced it, and programmed the transmission right now. I'm like so excited right now because it's been 2 years since I've been able to communicate with the transmission control module. So we got like a minute left. We're gonna go for a test drive, see what happens. So I just went for a test drive, and the ABS lights were off for a moment, but as soon as I started going up the street, they turned back on. The transmission does not shift, even after reflashing it. I'm getting a few codes and look up now. It's saying that the control module is still not programmed, and the fuel injection calibration not programmed. So I'm gonna figure that out, and then we'll see where we're at from there. So here we go. I have no check engine lights on. I can again see what gear I'm in. This is after programming the transmission control module. I do have the old one, so I'm probably going to slap that one in. This isn't for that shift. It's shift. The door's locked automatically. Oh my god, it feels like it has some power now, even though it's everything's stock right now. So everything goes to plan. just fine. Smooth as hell too, for not shifting for 5 years. Still shifting smooth as hell. So yeah, I'm gonna sell the old ECM, TCM. I'm gonna keep the ABS control module, the new one I put on there. It's just kind of a pain in the butt to swap out. I need to hook up the DSP5 switch. I took that out of the ECM because I thought it might have been one of the issues. So much freaking time, so much effort for one wire. God, it's been 5 years since I drove this truck and it shifted. It's just insane. I feel so good right now. How excited are you, Ava? My truck works, which means I have an extra car. And someone's getting their driver's license soon, huh?
Just a few months.
It's exciting, huh? So, yeah, I gotta hook up the DSP5 switch, put the fender wells back on, put everything back together because everything's just loose right now. I got the fuse box is still out of there. Reprogram everything with my program that I got from Rob Cotton's, and then get it registered, insurance, and we're gonna be on the road again. I'm so excited. All right. Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I know I'm gonna like it. Hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.